Imagine driving the same car for over 1,000,000 kilometers, and it still feels smooth, reliable, and powerful. Sounds impossible? Around the world, countless drivers have proven it's not a dream. It's achievable. This is the story of how dedicated car owners and skilled mechanics everywhere use a simple but powerful approach that makes their vehicles last longer than most people ever expect. Today, we're uncovering the secret routine, the mindset, and the science behind what I call the 1,000,000-kilometer method. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how to make your own car last a lifetime, and maybe even hit that incredible 1,000,000-kilometer mark. The mindset behind the magic. The foundation of this method is a simple principle: continuous improvement. It's not about perfection, it's about small, consistent progress. The best car owners around the world treat their vehicles as long-term companions, not disposable machines. They don't wait for problems to appear, they prevent them before they start. The real secret isn't some hidden formula or product. It's consistency, care, and precision. Every small step matters, from warming up the engine properly to tracking every maintenance detail. The foundation of longevity. The heart of this approach lies in small, regular actions. Responsible car owners follow a predictable cycle of checking oil, inspecting cooling systems, and monitoring tires and brakes. These may sound like ordinary steps, but it's the discipline in performing them that makes the difference. A car that receives attention every few thousand kilometers will always outlast one that's ignored for months. Treat your maintenance schedule like a doctor's appointment. Never missed, never delayed. The routine that works. Here's how experienced car owners everywhere keep their vehicles in top condition. Every few thousand kilometers, they perform a complete inspection: oil and filter changes, coolant checks, air filter cleaning, and tire balancing. Every year, a more detailed check follows, including belt inspections, fluid replacements, and engine diagnostics. These steps keep every system working within its ideal range. It's not expensive, it's not complicated, it's simply consistent. This routine turns ordinary cars into long-lasting machines capable of reaching unimaginable distances. The science behind it. Mechanically, this approach makes perfect sense. Engines fail because of heat, friction, and contamination. Regular oil changes prevent microabrasions from destroying engine parts. Cooling system maintenance keeps temperatures stable, avoiding warping or cracking. Early detection of small leaks or belt wear prevents major breakdowns. Each small check prevents a chain reaction of damage. This is why some cars around the world run perfectly even after decades. It's not luck, it's science-based care. Driving habits that extend life. The best drivers share one common trait: smoothness. They avoid hard acceleration, sudden braking, and constant stress on the vehicle. Cars are designed to perform best under steady conditions, not extremes. Gentle acceleration, moderate speeds, and proper warm-ups reduce wear on every component, from pistons to brakes. Even careful parking, avoiding curbs and tight spots, adds years of life to your vehicle. Respect the machine, and it will reward you with reliability. Beyond the engine. A car's longevity isn't just about the engine. Long-lasting vehicles are protected from rust, weather damage, and interior decay. Regular underbody washing, seal lubrication, and quick paint touch-ups prevent corrosion. Inside, keeping your car clean protects fabrics, buttons, and electronics. A clean car is easier to inspect and maintain, and it reflects pride of ownership. That's why some 20 or 30-year-old cars around the world still look and run like new. Choosing the right materials. A crucial part of vehicle longevity is using the right materials. Always use manufacturer-recommended oil grades, genuine filters, and proper coolant mixtures. Many drivers try to save money with cheap fluids or untested substitutes, but that's where reliability fades. Using quality parts might cost slightly more upfront, but it saves thousands in the long run. Every quality drop of oil, Every properly fitted filter, every torqued bolt contributes to that million-kilometer milestone. Keeping records. Another secret of long-lasting cars is documentation. Smart owners maintain detailed service logs, every oil change, every filter, every replacement. These records are not just for resale value, they help detect patterns. For example, if your oil consumption starts increasing, you'll catch it early before serious damage happens. Whether it's a notebook in your glove box or an app on your phone, track everything. Documentation builds accountability between owner and mechanic and ensures your car always gets exactly what it needs. The 12-month blueprint. To start your journey, follow this simple 12-month plan. Every month, check oil, tire pressure, and fluid levels. Every 3 months, perform an oil and filter change, brake check, tire rotation, and air filter cleaning. Every year, go deeper, coolant flush, belt inspection, alignment, and battery testing. Keep track of everything. After a year, you'll notice smoother performance, fewer repairs, and better fuel efficiency. The magic begins with routine. Common misconceptions. Many people believe cars wear out because they're old. The truth? Cars wear out because they're neglected. High mileage doesn't kill engines. Poor maintenance does. Additives and miracle gadgets can't replace discipline. Reliability isn't built in factories. It's maintained by habits. That's why delivery vans, taxis, and family cars all over the world still run strong after hundreds of thousands of kilometers. Conclusion. So, what's the real secret? It's not a tool, not a chemical, not a hidden formula. It's a mindset of respect. Respect for time, for machinery, and for small, consistent actions. If you adopt these habits, care, documentation, and smooth driving, any car anywhere in the world can achieve extraordinary longevity. The road to 1 million kilometers isn't about luck or money, it's about consistency. Treat your car like a lifelong partner instead of a disposable object, and it will return the favor, mile after mile. That's the power of the million-kilometer method. It's simple, it's smart, and it works. If you found this video inspiring, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with every car lover you know. Because this isn't just about cars, it's about a mindset that values care, patience, and precision in everything we do. Subscribe for more documentaries that reveal the hidden principles behind lasting success in machines, in people, and in life. Thanks for watching, and remember, consistency beats complexity every single time. Let us know in the comment. Please like and subscribe for more content, and we will see you in the next video.